Hello learners, welcome back to our channel Robotics Labs. Today we are going to build a simple and innovative DIY project, a servo motor control experiment. This experiment helps us understand how servo motors are controlled using Arduino, how angles are generated in code, and how we can use a built-in library to simplify motion control. Before we begin, let's take a look at the components you will need. An Arduino UNO, a micro servo motor, jumper wires, a USB cable or power source. You can find all the electronic components in the Robotics Labs Young Innovators Kit. So let's get started. First, connect the servo motor properly and make sure the wiring is correct. Red wire to 5V, brown or black wire to ground, signal wire to digital pin 6. Once the hardware is ready, let's move on to the most important part, the code and library. Now open the Arduino IDE. The servo motor is controlled using a built-in Arduino library called Servo H library. This library is already included in the Arduino IDE, so we don't need to install anything separately. At the top of the code, we first include the library like this. Include Servo H. This tells the Arduino that we are going to use servo motor functions. Next, we create a servo object. This object acts as a controller for the motor. Servo my servo. Now in the setup function, we attach the servo to a specific pin. My servo.attach 6. This means the servo signal wire is connected to digital pin 6. Once attached, we can control the servo using angle values between 0 degree and 180 degree. Now in the loop function, we send different positions using myServo.write angle. For example, myServo.write 0 moves servo to 0 degrees, myServo.write 90 moves servo to center position, and myServo.write 180 moves servo to maximum position. After each movement, we add a small delay so the servo has enough time to reach the position smoothly. The delay function is very important because it prevents jittering and allows smooth motion transitions. So the complete working logic is include servo library, create servo object, attach servo to pin 6, send angle values using write function, add delay for smooth movement. Now connect your Arduino to the computer using a USB cable, select the correct board and port in the Arduino IDE and upload the code. Once uploaded successfully, you will see the servo motor moving between different angles as defined in the program. This experiment is a great introduction to robotics, motion control systems, and automation programming using Arduino. You can also extend this project by adding a potentiometer to control angles manually or buttons to switch between preset positions, or even combine it with sensors for automatic movement systems. If you enjoyed this project, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Robotics Labs for more exciting DIY builds. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next one.